In this video, I'm going to show you how to open up the hatch on the 2016 Toyota Scion. And just a point of clarity, this is commonly confused with the term trunk. Technically, this is a hatch because it's not a lid that hinges below the rear window. This is actually the entire back that hinges upward. So that is a hatchback versus a trunk. So let's get this open. On some models of the key fob, you may have a trunk icon that you can use to press and hold to open up the hatch. We currently do not have that on this model. So what you need to do is manually open it each time. The hatch is opened by the handle on the back side right here. It is located beneath the logo. It is tucked in right here, and there's a button that you press. But you'll notice that when you push this button, nothing happens, and that is because the vehicle is currently locked. So you cannot open the hatch if the vehicle is locked. So what you need to do is unlock the vehicle. You can go ahead and just push the unlock button on the door, and then that'll enable you to be able to press that button that I just described. So when I press it, you'll notice you'll hear the actuator engage, or disengage rather, and then that will unlock it and allow you to lift up, revealing the contents of your hatch, which is a mess for me because I do a lot of projects. So here is the locking mechanism on the hatch. When it is closed, the bar, the strike bar right here, is going to push upward in this mechanism, and it's actually going to lock in this position. So when you push that button on the hatch, remember I told you it releases that actuator? Look what it does when I push the button. I'm gonna go ahead and push that button, and it unlocks that. So that is what enables you to be able to pull up, because this locking mechanism is no longer engaged. And this is just how you manually close it for a demonstration. So sometimes when you push this repeatedly over the span of the lifetime, this actuator will break. So this is a part that is commonly replaced. I hope that video was helpful for you in understanding how you open up the hatch on the 2016 Toyota Scion. Thank you for watching.